In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove clothes from your Bitmoji on Snapchat. If you want to change up your Bitmoji style or start fresh, I've got you covered, so let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Snapchat application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, look for your Bitmoji on the top left corner of the screen. Tap on it to open your profile. Now you should see your Bitmoji along with your snap code. Tap on it. Tap on Edit Bitmoji or Edit Avatar. This will take you to the Bitmoji customization screen. In the customization menu, you'll see various clothing options. To remove or change clothes, simply scroll to the categories and tap on Outfits or Clothing. To remove an item, tap on the item you want to change. You can either select a new outfit, or if you want to go for a bare look, choose the option that indicates no clothing or default options, like this. Once you're happy with your changes, make sure to save or done on your Bitmoji. And that's it. You've successfully removed clothes from your Bitmoji on Snapchat.